Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss nominalization. Let's first discuss what is nominalization. Nominalization is when you turn a verb or adjective into noun. जब आप किसी verb और adjective को आप noun में change कर देते हैं. It makes the sentence wordy. So how do we change verb or adjective into noun? So the key rule is, how would you identify it? You will add tion kind of suffixes after it, ment, anceitYnes. These kind of suffixes we make to turn verb or adjective into noun. Let's see the example here. We have this sentence, the implementation, see you suffix tion, implementation of the plan was successful. So the root word here is implement, and implement is verb. So rather than using this whole phrase, the implementation of the plan, we can use a single word, implemented. We implemented the plan successfully. So this is nominalization, when you are turning verb or adjective into noun. So what should we do? We should avoid using verb or adjective as noun, or we should rather use them as verb only. So it makes the sentence shorter, clearer, and more active. So why should we avoid them? Because it makes the writing heavy and indirect, and there is always use of extra word, extra preposition like of, by, for, is, and it makes the sentence easy, clear, and concise. We'll see some example here of nominalization, and with this example it will be very clear to you. See, first example is, the completion of the project will be by Friday. See here, tion suffix has made turn the verb into noun. So rather than saying the completion of the project will be by Friday, we will say we will complete the project by Friday, or project will be completed by Friday. There was a failure of the system. So simply say the system failed. We will conduct an analysis of the data. So conduct an analysis of the data, rather say we will analyze the data. Next is the implementation of the plans. The same example that we have done, the implementation of the plan was delayed. We implemented the plan late. There was an improvement in the performance. An improvement in the performance. So rather than writing this long sentence, you can simply write the performance improved. The development of the software took a year. So you can easily write this sentence like, we developed the software in a year. So it's more active. The investigation of the error is ongoing. So we are investigating the error. The examination of the sample is complete. So rather than saying that the examination of the sample is complete, you can simply write, we examined the samples. Our discussion of the topic lasted an hour. So we discussed the topic for an hour. The creation of the database was easy. So you can simply say that we created the database easily. There was reduction in cost. So we reduced cost. The installation of the system took 2 hours. So we installed the system in 2 hours. The identification of error is important. Identifying error is important. The decision of the board surprised us. The board decided and surprised us. The observation of change was noted. We observed changes. You see, we are simplifying the sentence. The evaluation of proposal will take time. We will evaluate proposal. We'll do it in future. We have already used will here. There was delay in delivery. Delivery was delayed. The measurement of temperature is necessary. We must measure the temperature. The consideration of risk is required. We must consider risk. The organization of files were poor. We organize file poorly. You see, so there are sentences that can be made shorter, clearer, concise if we avoid changing verb or adjective into noun. So we need to take care of it. Thank you.